Welcome to the Zebrabuzz platform. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to whitelist a domain on Zebrabuzz. Whitelisting is essential to ensure your bot functions correctly, especially when users interact with elements like buttons or input flow questions requesting date and time information. If your domain isn't whitelisted for Facebook, the bot may display an error, indicating that your domain isn't authorized. Fortunately, you can easily whitelist a domain through Zebrabuzz, eliminating the need to do it manually from your page settings. Let's get started. Before we begin, ensure you have created your Zebrabuzz account, connected your Facebook page to Zebrabuzz. If you need help with these steps, please watch the video linked in the description. These are the steps to whitelist your domain. First, on your Zebrabuzz dashboard, locate the left sidebar and click on Bot Manager. Choose the Facebook page you want to manage. Then scroll down the page until you see the option labeled Whitelisted Domains. Click on it. Click the New Domain button. In the domain field that appears, type in the domain you want to whitelist, including the https://. If you have multiple domains to whitelist, you can add them all in this section. After entering your domains, click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully whitelisted your domains. Your bot should now function smoothly. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe and like our video. See you next time.